This is a very painful lesson learned video that I have to share with you. I've been trying to put in this drain, but I'm replacing my drain in the bathroom. And I've been fighting this. This is like round number 5 with a new replacement one having shown up on my doorstep this morning. The lesson learned, and I will prove this to you as to why this worked, is this is your lock nut washer that you're going to put on your drain pipe going down, if you have that kind of a setup, where you need to put this first just to make sure that it fits, that it's actually going to slide on, so that you're not installing it and then find out later when you're fighting it. And you can see right here how much I've hacked this thing up. I mean, quite literally, it's a hack job where I've even tried smoothing it out with my nail. Okay, we're gonna do some comparisons here. This is the one that didn't end up working. This is the new one that I proved to myself already could fit the washer. And you can really see here for yourself. This one almost is, I mean, like not almost, it's literally, it's curved in a little bit. This one, I mean, it's like, it got hacked off. You can see some of the nicks around the side, like right there. And it's just gonna fight the washer. Whereas this one had some machining done and it helps, it allows the washer to slide on. I mean, it has to be a tight fit. So check out the difference between these two. Definitely worth looking at just before you install your drain. Dry fitting is key. Here's the one that did not work, and I'm definitely not going to spend any more time trying to waste this washer on this particular drain. But I'm also not going to try it on this one, because might be my last silver bullet to put this drain on properly in place, and I'm not going to chew up this washer anymore, but definitely see if it slides on in place before installing this. I will also add, if you are like totally entirely setting up everything in the drain, dry fit everything together. Don't leave anything to chance. But in this case, everything is as it was before. So I am no longer dry fitting anything but the lock nut washer on the new drain. So the next time you're installing a drain, try this first. Don't even install anything, just try this out and save yourself a lot of pain and possibly some blood loss. Add a comment below if you have any of your own lessons learned on this process. And thanks for watching, and I will see you next week with the full installation video. Round 2. There's a little bit on there. I'm just gonna spread it. Seriously doubt this is going to help too much, but before calling in a neighbor to help, it's just frustrating.